Welcome back to Mind Shift, the place to ditch your diet, love your body, and live your life. So in today's episode, because it's National Book Lovers Day, I thought I would share some of my must-read recommendations for keeping sane around food. I put all the names of the books in the description below, so you can have a look at them. I just want to say I am not an affiliate of any of these. These are just books that I've read on my own personal journey that I found really helpful or interesting. So let's get into all of them. First up is Anything by Michael Pollan. So Michael Pollan is a food writer and best-selling author who really takes the complication out of food. He makes eating a really simplistic and easy to follow sort of concept. And I think it's great because food should not be complicated, people. His writing's really, really good. And so he's written multiple books. I recommend all of them. So have a read of that. Next up is Live a Little by Susan Love and Eylse Domar. So this is a book about breaking the rules so that you can give yourself a little bit of wiggle room to actually achieve your goals, but also live a little. And this is important because your health goals, or any of your goals actually, are really important, and it's not to belittle them, but you have to balance them so that they're attainable rather than reaching for the stars at the expense of everything else. Intuitive Eating by Evelyn Tribole and Eylse Resch. So this for me is a staple when it comes to intuitive or instinctive eating. The book covers 10 principles of intuitive eating, and there's also a great section for parents on how to teach your kids how to be intuitive eaters. Because often we learn a lot of our dieting habits or eating habits from our childhood, right? Of growing up with our parents, our siblings, around the dinner table. So if you're instilling healthy, intuitive eating principles to your kids, that'll just set them up for a really, really healthy relationship with food later on. So that's a goodie. Culinary Intelligence by Kaminsky. This is also a gem because it focuses on making healthy food delicious. So it's all about healthy food does not have to be bland or boring. And this is a very creative book in giving you some ideas on making nutritious and delicious foods without your creeping waistline. And then the final book is Eat to Live Cookbook by Fuhrman. This is another book that's actually a really, really great recipe book, because particularly if you're not great in the kitchen, because the recipes are quick, they're easy, they're nutritious, and they're super yummy scrummy. So those are my top 5 must-reads. Enjoy National Book Lovers Day, go have a read. And if you want something else to read, why not download my free guide, How to Break Free from Your Dieting Hell. This will help you to ditch the diet, start to listen to your body, and stop obsessing over food. So that's another one. Go download that. The link is also below, and it's free. So enjoy the day, and I'll chat to you soon.